Do these look the same to you? Because they are not. They are beef sirloins. The difference between these two steaks are drastic if you look at the color difference. This one, it said no hormones and, you know, blah, blah, blah. Obviously not grass-fed, grass-finished. Obviously not pasture-raised. This one is all of those. But the nutrient density of these two products, yes, this one is cheaper by about 40%. But what you're getting, you can eat less of this and get more than what you're getting in here. And you're also not going to be inundated with the chemicals and the weird shit that they put inside here. This doesn't even look right, people. This is not how your steak should look. This is how your steak should look. Shop better, you will feel better, you will be healthier, you don't have to eat as much.